Hello, hello, how are you? Now I'm in Nyamira County. Yeah, and here it rains almost, not even almost, it rains every day. Yeah, so I'm taking a walk on this muddy path, but the place is beautiful. I hope you are well. All of you are doing well. Yeah, so I came for some work here in Nyamira County and in Bomet County, and then I will go to Kisii County next week. So that is how I plan my work. When I have work, like let's say on these sides, I make sure I put everything, all the work together, so that I don't keep traveling up and down, up and down. And as you all know, the fuel is very expensive. So I can't afford coming all the time to Kisii as I used to. Yeah, so that is what I'm up to. Trying to balance myself so that I don't fall. I don't fall on this muddy path. Huh? So that I don't fall on this muddy path. Yeah. I've seen some very good vegetables here. We call this in Ekegusi emboga. This is good emboga. This is saga, but we call them in Ekegusi chinsaga. This is my garden. I can't call it kitchen. Yeah, it can still be kitchen garden, though the kitchen is a bit far from here. These are the green onions. This is emboga again, and spinach. This is sukuma wiki, kale, and I think, yeah, and we have pumpkin leaves on this side. Yeah, these are pumpkin leaves. These are pumpkin leaves. Yeah, we use them as vegetables. Those of you come from these sides of the country, you know, we use them as vegetables. We call them, surely how can I forget the name? Imagine I've forgotten the name. And this is maize. Yeah, but it has dried. Yes, so this is my kitchen garden. Yeah, look at the trees. The beautiful trees. So this is where I get my vegetables from. We are trying to make this path. I shall show you when we finished landscaping. I'll show you how the path will look Right now it's so muddy, but we shall do good landscaping and it will be lovely. It will look good. Yeah, so I'll not go through this side. Let me go through the shamba. Can you listen to the birds singing, chirping? Just listen. Oh, so therapeutic. Yeah. These are bamboo trees. This is maize, so I'm passing through bamboo and maize and listening to birds chirping. Yeah. The path that we are supposed to landscape is this one. It's so muddy, so I can't pass there right now. This is blackjack. They say it is medicinal, but I've never tried. This shamba needs to be weeded. Now this is blackjack, and yeah, the muddy road, and yeah, these are a few trees here and there, different trees. Some I've forgotten their names. We have bamboo, we have thicker palm, excuse, thicker palm, we have japonica, and many other trees. Bye for now.